up, guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you one of my favorite recipes. So I got all my ingredients out over here. So what you're gonna need is some cinnamon, some NCT oil. This is the only protein I really use for like recipes. I get this PEScience Snickerdoodle, and I got some jewel yams. So a yam, every yam is a sweet potato, but every sweet potato is not a jewel yam. So a jewel yam is the one I use for this recipe. So I'm gonna show you how to cook it.
Where'd you get the jewel yam?
I got these jewel yams at Whole Foods, but you can get them at Kroger too. I know Kroger has them. But if you go to Walmart, they'll just have generic sweet potatoes, and you don't want those for this recipe. You want a jewel yam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna poke holes in it so it'll cook faster. Alright, so I already washed these potatoes. I need to wash this one too, so that's what I'm gonna do now. These are pretty good size sweet potatoes. So probably for something about this size, you just kind of get a visual on how big they are relative to my hand. I'll probably cook these in the microwave for like 15 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna let these cook, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to do this recipe. So I had to cook the sweet potatoes a little bit longer than I thought. So I'll put it in for 15. I had put it in for probably like 8 more minutes to get them all the way done. You just want them kind of be soft when you go to touch them. So I let them cool off for about 20 minutes. I'm just gonna cut these ends off. I don't know if you can get it on the video, but like if you look at the tray that they were heating up on, you'll see like all the syrup that comes out of them. That's why you go to jewel yams, because they're like more juicy than just a generic sweet potato. So I'm gonna cut these down the middle. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna scoop out 600 grams into this bowl. So you're gonna want to have your scale ready. Just closer to my bowl. Alright, so depending on what you're doing diet-wise, like if you want to build muscle or if you want to lose fat, this recipe could work for you either way. The reason it's good for if you want to lose weight is this stuff called MCT oil. And basically you get MCT oil, it comes from coconut oil, but it isolates the medium chain triglycerides. So like when you're in a calorie deficit and you're not eating that many carbs, your body will kind of treat the MCT oil like a carb. So you won't feel low on energy if you supplement with MCT oil. So I usually use it every time I'm carb cycling or something like that. And I never get like that kind of carb flu or whatever they talk about. As long as I'm using MCTO, I usually do pretty good. Another reason it's good is because we add cinnamon to the recipe. Cinnamon is good for regulating your blood sugar, so we're gonna put in cinnamon. I don't really measure it. I just put in a couple shakes, and that usually does a trick. I would say at least want to put like 2 teaspoons in, probably for this much sweet potato. But I just shake it on there until it looks okay. Now I'm gonna add my MCT oil. I keep it in this just so it doesn't get everywhere. And I'm gonna put 40 milliliters of this in here. Alright, the last ingredient is our protein powder. And it's just gonna kind of give it some more flavor. And also it's gonna add extra protein, which whether you're on a diet or you're building muscle, like protein is a key macronutrient you want to get in your diet. A lot of people struggle with getting enough protein in, so this will help kind of up your protein some. Will also give you a quality carb source as well. So a serving on this is 31 grams, so I'm gonna put in 2 servings of this. That's 44 grams. So we need 62. All right, 62 grams. Now you can either take a fork and kind of mash it and mix it up together. I had this thing called, I think it's called a dash masher or something like that. So I'm gonna use this today to mash it. All right, so I'm gonna mix these up now. All right, so it don't take long to mix them. I'm gonna take my spatula, get any extra. One thing you want to do when you cooking sweet potatoes is anything that got sweet potato on it, you're gonna want to wash it like right away. Cause if this stuff dries and it gets hard, it's like concrete. So if it gets on like your countertop or on this, you just want to wash it right away. And like I said, you don't have to use this. You use a fork, but it just makes it like smoother and mixes it more efficiently. All right, so this much sweet potato will make 5 servings. So I usually have this with chicken, tilapia, or just whatever protein I'm having, and some and a green vegetable, usually broccoli or green beans. So I'll take my containers. I'll split this up into 5 servings. So a serving will come out to like 135 grams. So I'm just gonna measure out 135. There we go, that's close enough. All right, so give this recipe a try. If you like it, let me know what you think. And be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll keep the recipes coming for you.